Looking to save time when asking for the right price? We made it easy for you. Now you can access full product catalogs and request your quote from any device, anywhere, in real time, with zero communication delay through Logicom's e-commerce platform. You just need to log into your Logicom e-commerce account. Select the products of your choice through the homepage, the catalog, or brand menus. Then move them to Add to Cart with the requested quantities. Click on View Shopping Cart next, and you may now amend your order before requesting a quote, change quantities, enter a discount code if applicable, recalculate your shopping cart and get the final balance following any changes, and proceed to Get Quote. When clicking the Get Quote button, you can choose shipping information, choose the delivery method from the shipping options available in your region, and finally review your quote before submitting it. Once all details are entered, click Get Quote. You will then receive an email confirming your quote. Our Logicom sales representative will review your quote and share the final quotation. You will then receive an email with the subject title, Quote Promotable. Click on Quote Details page to check your quote, then go to Convert to Order.
Join the Logicom's e-commerce platform today and place your orders anywhere, anytime. Logicom Distribution. Partners in your success.